Hi guys. Well, I figured I should do an update video to let you know where the heck I've been and what I've been doing. As you may well have guessed, it's summertime and I'm just one of those guys that burns my candle at both ends in the summer, trying to basically fit 10 pounds of shit into a 5-pound box. So, but I've gotten through the worst of it. So I thought I'd throw you a video real quick. So I don't even know when the last time was I posted a video. It was back in May sometime. Getting ready for Memorial Day, and then Memorial Day weekend we were up north in northern Michigan camping for the first time this season. So obviously I didn't have time to do anything then, and quite frankly I was relaxing, so that was nice. But then since then it has been just non-stop work of all sorts. Just feels like I'm racing a million miles an hour. So 3 weekends ago, I guess it was over at my buddy's house pretty much all weekend building deer blind for up in the UP, and got that done. I did, at that Sunday afternoon, I had a couple hours left, and I did record some video of the Loadstar. All I was doing was putting on the new power steering hose that I finally had made, and it hadn't ran in 3 or 4 weeks or whatever it was at that point, and so fired it up and put it out in the driveway for a bit, which actually was pretty cool. Garnered a lot of attention from the neighbors. Had a couple. My wife has all these, I don't know, her farm friends, I guess I call them, people around who have other, kindred spirits, I guess, who have goats and chickens and ducks and you name it, all the crap that we do, and they all were stopping by or messaging her, telling her how cool the truck was, so that was nice. But anyway, did get a little bit of work there, so I'm going to splice those videos on at the end here so you can see a little bit of that. That was that weekend, and then the following weekend I left on Thursday morning for the UP with, I don't know how much, but way too much weight. I'm guessing about 16,000 pounds of tractor and auger and tiller and deer blind and food and bunch of treated lumber, shingles, fertilizer, seed, you name it, everything under the kitchen sink. It was quite a hillbilly load going up over the bridge. But anyway, that went good, but didn't get back until Sunday afternoon. Had just enough time to get everything unloaded and wash the truck up and mow the grass before I had to go to bed. So that was last weekend. And then this weekend I had a side project for one of my designers at work. I had agreed to do some work with him in his backyard and trade for a firearm. So got that done. And then yesterday was, again, I had pruning to do around the yard and, landscape care type stuff and grass cutting and getting the fifth wheel out for our trip next weekend and all sorts of fun. And then I did actually just take a couple hours at the end of the day to relax with my kids. So anyway, coming up here, we are getting close to some real work getting done again on the Loadstar, because we have, this coming weekend I'll be gone. You won't see anything from me, obviously. Side note though, I am doing the first double tow with my boat behind the new fifth wheel. So that will be 19,000 pounds of fun. I'm pretty pumped for it, actually. So nothing there. But then the following weekend's 4th of July. I'm not going anywhere. I'm at home. Got a couple little, actually I don't even know if I really have any minor house projects. Not much. My goal is just to, honestly, I'm going to smoke a brisket at one point. But other than that, I'm going to hang out with my family, and I'm going to have a few drinks and go see some friends and some fireworks one night. I think my wife and I are going to go on a date one night, but I mean, by and large, my goal in life is to get those front fenders on the Loadstar body worked and in paint by the end of the weekend. I'm real lucky mounted on the truck. So front fenders and hood. So anyway, that's coming soon. Because then after that, actually after the 4th, I've only got, I think, one more weekend. I might piddle with the truck a little bit here and there, but then I'm gone for like 3 weeks on vacation. So my videos will be few and far between, but we'll get this one and probably one more before I'm on vacation, and keep you guys updated on what's going on. But rest assured, I'm not doing nearly as much work as I was in the winter when I had time, but something went away. But work's getting done nonetheless, and we are inching towards that goal of having that truck on a trailer to go up north to a truck show here in mid-September. So I accidentally deleted one of these videos I had recorded, so the beginning of this next one, this little clip, doesn't make much sense, but I think you guys will get it. So basically I'm finishing up putting the hose on, topping up the fluids, the power steering fluid, and then pulling the truck out just so you can hear some Detroit diesel cold start and minor running in the driveway noise. So and again, as I always say, I know that's the only reason you guys watch these videos anyway, the 6 of you that watch them. So hope you enjoy it, and we'll be back again in a couple weeks. Thanks, guys. All right, guys, well, we got the power steering line on, topped up the reservoir. I need to burp it a little bit, so I'll give you a little in-cab cold start. It's been a while. Ooh, you know what I totally forgot about? The upholstery. Huh. I gotta get that into that guy. Since I'm not gonna be using the truck anytime soon, I'll pull this back out today, or tomorrow, whatever, and get that to him this week. Man, I totally forgot. All right, well, anyway, let's back you guys up a little bit. This little ignition power. See how quick she goes. Wow. Warm temperatures make all the difference, right? So let's burp this out. She's running good. Running real good. Man, this power steering in this truck is awesome. All right, now we'll top it up and get this thing out of here. See, hold on. You guys gotta look at tire for a minute. Well, they're still pretty close, but we'll top up that reservoir. I only got a shade of fluid left in this bottle anyway. Oh yeah, we're right to the top. Well, we'll check it again after it runs and drives a bit, but that ought to do to get us going. Okay. Well, I'll get this door opened up and we'll get this thing pulled out. All right, well, I don't have my suction cup mount, so you're gonna have to deal with me just holding it. We gotta let her build a little air. Boy, I wish I had this wired up right now. Getting there. 60. See if spring brakes are off. Oh yeah. That power steering is beautiful.